So today I'm being dispatched aboard Timothy M. Shea, headed north of Daytona up to just near the Tomoka Basin, picking up a 23-foot Monterey that has an engine failure issue. It is currently at its home port, its home dock, and I will be towing it to the boat launching ramp right near L.B. Knox Bridge.
Supposedly it drifted down here. It was bouncing off the
fenders.
The bridge tender was blowing the horn. It washed up over there. Then a kid came in here saying someone gave it to him on Facebook Marketplace to get it unstuck. He towed it to this private dock down there. They kicked it off there. Now it's here. I think there's a guy on it right now. There's like some squatters living on it. The county just called, said they're going to send the sheriff to get it out of here. Now.
You want a free boat? This thing is a derelict.
Yeah, it's been there for a while.
Well, the county's trying to do something. She just called me literally 5 minutes ago, said they're going to send the sheriff down here to get rid of it, do something with it. There's different people keep living on it.
Really?
Yeah, there's someone on it right now.
Like it's not theirs?
No.
That's insane.
If you're homeless, it's a good place to live, I guess, right?
Warmer.
Warmer, out of the wind.
Yeah, a project like that, you got to be a boater. Because that's a headache. Those are the ones when they call me, I just, you don't want me. Yeah.
Where's your shop?
I'm mobile. I use Boat Doctor Shop out in Benel.
Do you go down as far as Daytona? Or?
Oh yeah, we go South Florida. I mean, we've been down to the Keys. We go everywhere. Wherever the jobs are.
Just do me a favor, throw it around that pole.
I'm surprised he doesn't have cleats up here.
Yeah, just.
The thing runs great, it just won't shift.
Is she floating or?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you got me to do, right? Push us out?
Yeah, just start bringing us out. Make sure that the line's good. just going to go straight. See, once I get in there, we'll see whichever way the wind blows us.
Okay.
I just want to get around this boat without hitting it.
Anything you need me to do, just let me know.
Yeah, just hang. Are there any lines there? If I can get you up along that side, I think the tide and the wind are going to carry me against the dock. No problem. We're doing good. Maybe I will be able to get you up against there. All right, let me give you this one. Grab this one.
Appreciate it.
All right, I will get untied and I'll tie up over here and then I'll help you get it on the trailer.